Meet the Keyunity KS00, the ultimate carabiner clip multi-tool that's compact, durable, and built for adventure. Easily attach it to your backpack, belt loop, or keychain, always within reach. Bottle opener, need to crack open a cold one? Made from titanium, it's lightweight, rust-resistant, and built to last. Perfect for EDC, camping, hiking, and daily tasks. Ditch bulky tools and upgrade to the Keyunity KS00. Grab yours now! One tool to rule them all? Meet the Union by Toller Tools, the ultimate multi-tool engineered for efficiency. Designed for pros and DIYers alike, the Union packs multiple tools into one sleek, foldable design. Built from high-quality materials, it's strong enough for tough jobs yet compact enough for your pocket. Work smarter, not harder. Tired of carrying a dozen tools? Meet the GOAT Modular Multi-Tool, the ultimate EDC game-changer. With its modular design, you can customize it for any job: screwdriver, blade, pry bar, and more. Made from premium-grade materials, it's built to last and feels amazing in hand. Versatile, lightweight, and perfect for everyday carry. Ditch the clutter, one tool does it all. Upgrade your EDC today. Link in bio to grab yours now. Ever wished for a tool that can do it all? Meet the Caliber X Multi-Tool, your ultimate everyday carry companion. From quick fixes to outdoor adventures, the Caliber X has got you covered. Compact and durable, this beast is built for action. Whether you're at home, on the job, or in the wild, it's your go-to gear. Small enough to carry it everywhere. Strong enough for anything. Grab your Caliber X Multi-Tool now and be ready for anything. Still dealing with clunky phone stands? It's time for a serious upgrade. Meet the all-in-one titanium foldable phone stand, sleek, strong, and ultra-portable. Crafted from premium titanium, it's built to last and supports any phone effortlessly. Pocket-sized and foldable, it goes wherever you go: work, travel, or chill mode. Adjust it to any angle for video calls, binge watching, or creating content. Strong. Stylish. Smart. Get your all-in-one titanium phone stand today and level up your setup. Too many tools? Time to simplify with one powerful upgrade. Meet the Keyunity EDC, your ultimate all-in-one everyday carry tool. It's got everything you need: blade, screwdriver, wrench, bottle opener, and more. Whether you're hiking, fixing, or just living life, Keyiunity's got your back. Crafted for durability, designed for your pocket. Tiny tool. Massive capability. Grab the Keyunity EDC and command your day. Bored of basic spinners? It's time to level up your fidget game. Introducing the Fidgetool, the ultimate fusion of fun and function. It's not just a fidget spinner, it's a multi-tool packed with everyday essentials. Fix, open, cut, and spin your stress away, all with one sleek gadget. Built to last. designed to impress. Tool, the multi-tool that keeps your hands busy and your pockets ready. Pocket-sized power, always ready when you are. Why carry 5 tools when one can do it all? Engineered for precision. Made for everyday use. Tool, because your EDC should work and play. Tap the link, grab yours now, and feel the spin difference.